do some math. Day 20. Here we go. 92,884 plus 9,246. This last week you guys have worked on stacking up addition problems in the right place that help us add. So let's go ahead and do this. This is all stacked up perfectly. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry the 1. Bring down our comma. 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 102,130. All right, this one's a little tricky, as it seems, but it's actually pretty easy. 5 times 7 is 35. Also, 7 times 5 is also 35. They're the same thing, right? Same problem, they're just flipped around. So, by that logic, 35 divided by 5 is 7. 35 divided by 5 is 7, right? So then, what would that mean? Well, that would mean that 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. There we go. Just flip those around. Okay, subtraction number 3. 600 minus 178. Can we subtract 0 from 8? No. Need to look to the neighbor. Can we subtract 0 from 7? Not again. Nope. We have to look to the neighbor. Can we subtract 6 from 1? Ah, we finally can. 6, we're going to borrow there. 6 becomes a 5. 0 becomes a 10. Got to borrow from him. And then that becomes a 9. And then there we go. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2, and 5 minus 1 is 4. 422. It is 3:06. 3:06. What time will it be 12 minutes from now? Okay, so we have 3:06 plus 12, right? 8, 1. Let's bring down our comma, just like that. It's still 3 o'clock. It is 3:18. Just an addition problem. But time. 1/2 of 60. Well, when you say 1/2, that means you're splitting 60 into 2 equal groups. 2 equal groups of 60 is 30. So 1/2, so it would be 2 equal groups of 60 would be 2 groups of 30. Sorry. So 1/2 of 60 is 30. Bingo. Okay, number 6. Troop 35 sold 650 boxes of cookies. That was 150 more than. That's important. So let's underline that. Troop 42 sold. How many cookies did Troop 42 sell? Now remember, Troop 42 and Troop 35 are just the names of the groups of people. We don't have to do any math with those numbers. Those can be in there to kind of confuse you. So the most important thing we need to focus on is 650 boxes of cookies, and that was 150 more boxes of cookies than 42. So let's set this up and perform some subtraction. That's going to tell us how many cookies Troop 42 sold. Well, 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So that tells us that Troop 42 sold 500 boxes of cookies. Okay, number 7. How many eggs in 2 dozen? Well, we're not talking a baker's dozen. Remember, a baker's dozen is 13, but in a normal standard dozen, that is 12. There are 12 eggs in 1 dozen. So in 2 dozen, 12 plus 12. Or you could do 12 times 2. Same thing. Remember, multiplication is repeated addition. So 24, 24. Same answer. Either way. How many eggs in 2 dozen? 24 eggs. Look ahead to day 21. Straightforward subtraction problem. Some borrowing going on there. Then we have a multiplication problem. Remember, if this becomes difficult for you, remember, what is 5 times 6? Find that answer, add a 0 onto it, and there you go. Write the standard numbers, 6 hundreds, 3 tens, 2 ones. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Been working with those in the past. How much money? We got to know how much a dime is worth, how much a nickel is worth, and how much a penny is worth. Count by fives, 5, 10, blank, 20. How many socks are there in 3 pairs for Jake and 2 pairs for Leah? How many socks are in 1 pair? And then that'll help you on your way there. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.